Hi, my name is Christina, and this is my presentation for my final project submission. The product I chose to work on was the Airborne Airlines website, and in this presentation, I will be explaining my design process from start to the mid-high fidelity designs. So it all began with the mood board. This is my mood board here. And after reading the Airborne Airlines persona, I went with a theme that portrayed a fun but classy feel for my designs. Halfway through the course, though, I did have to change this lighter blue as the blue-white combination didn't meet the accessibility color contrast check. So that was a bit of a learning for me to do the contrast check much earlier on. So I then created the user flow by putting myself in the customer's shoes and showing what actions the customer would take to navigate around the site, such as search flights, preview deals, click on help menu link, etc. I also noted the various states that I needed to factor into my designs as shown in this key. And I think that was another learning for me, is learning about the different states and factoring them into the design process. So I next created the component library, which are the elements and colors that make up the website to help build a consistent design. So I ended up changing that lighter blue to this darker blue color, which I really like, and it still portrays that fun and classy feel that I was going for in my mood board. If I was to do the component library again, I would keep it fairly light initially, as I found myself building on it more as I played around and iterated on my designs. I actually ended up with less button variations than I originally thought I needed, which I think translates into a more consistent website look and feel. So my original design looked like this with the lighter blue color. At the time, I did 2 homepage options and ran it by a couple of people. They preferred this design over this one. So I continued to build on this design. And I do have a few designs that didn't quite make the cut, but I've kept them. Now, if I click on the mid to high fidelity designs page, you will see that it is a bit different to the original design, and most noticeably the change to the darker color. So this is the home page. This is the home page with the menu expanded, and these are the subsequent pages. I use the flight searching or booking form to illustrate the various states. So here we've got the error state, partial, completed, and loading states. The prototype I created helped with the usability testing. So for the usability testing, I asked 3 participants to describe what they see on the home page, navigate to a deal, and then navigate back to the home page. And as a result of the usability testing, I made 3 changes to the designs. The first change, I made the booking form stand out more by changing the border to a darker grey. Second change, I added a home icon, as you can see here, as I could see that the testers were struggling to find a way to go back or back to the home page. And thirdly, the third change, which I found very interesting, was that all 3 testers had this natural urge to scroll on pages that had a fixed frame. So as a result of this observation, I extended the frame length of all these fixed pages to allow a bit of a scroll, even though I didn't add any content, just to satisfy what seems to be a natural browsing behavior. So overall, I'm really pleased with my designs, certainly as a minimum viable product. And I credit this to the informative course and the feedback I received along the way. The feedback from my mentor was very valuable. Using the Figma mirror helped greatly, and showing my designs and design options to people along the way also helped. Getting that feedback early and often meant that there wasn't too much I needed to change from the usability testing. Thank you.